Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered what a web hosting package actually is and which one you should choose? If you want to create a website, launch an online shop, or use professional email with your own domain, you need web hosting. In this video, we explain what hosting packages include and how to choose the right package for your project at ALLINKLCOM. A web hosting package provides the storage space and technical infrastructure needed to publish your website and emails on the internet. Most hosting packages typically include web space for your website files, one or more domains, email mailboxes for professional email addresses, security features such as SSL certificates. With a hosting package, your website becomes accessible to visitors around the world. When comparing hosting packages, consider these important factors. Check if the package already includes a domain such as .com, an SSL certificate for secure connections. The hosting should use SSD storage, as this can significantly improve your website's loading speed. In addition, choosing a provider with servers located in Germany helps with performance and GDPR compliance. Reliable hosting providers offer fast and knowledgeable support, so you can quickly resolve any technical issues. ALLINKLCOM is a well-known hosting provider offering reliable hosting infrastructure, high-performance SSD storage, secure hosting environments, professional 24/7 support. Whether you're launching a personal blog, a business website, or an online shop, there's a hosting package that fits your needs. Visit ALLINKLCOM to explore our hosting packages and register your domain today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hosting and website tips.